Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Barbie Mariposa in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle, choose bangs only, and then this one, make it this color. For the hairstyle, you can make them have the same color and put on this butterfly top, and you're going to make it this color. Put on the same pink color for all the selections. Okay, like this, and then we're going to go to the changing room, guys. Okay, move to the changing room here, and then go to the currency menu and put on this Mara heels and make it the same pink color for all the selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the goods item, put on this dress, and then you're going to choose toggle 3. Okay, for the color, just make it pink, the same pink color I have applied before, and then this orange color or this yellow color. Okay, and then for the last one, make it this pink color. All right, and then I'm going to put on this heel, pink bow heel from the petal update, and make it the same pink color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the VIP room, and I'm going to put on this dress and make it this color for all the selection, guys. All right, and then I'm going to activate the glittery, and the next one I'm going to put on the wings, this one, and make it this gold color and this pink color, combine gold and pink color, and for the last one make it black, and then combine it with this one. For the first selection, you're going to make it gold and then make it pink, and for the last one you're going to make it black. And then I'm going to make the wings bigger, so I'm going to change the toggle. Wait guys. Okay, go to the toggle and make it bigger, and for this one as well, make it bigger. All right, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.